I am going to pull the fire alarm.
Uh-oh. The fire alarm has went off.
Oh my god. Everyone got scared and evacuated the building. Oh crap. I am still busted.
You must have lost your mind. You know that what you did was a serious crime. You can go to jail for pulling the fire alarm. It is called misuse of emergency devices. Do you understand?
I understand.
Good. Now because you pulled the fire alarm at the Broadway Square Mall, you are grounded for 6 months.